What's up, YouTube? Y'all say hi to Randy.
Wait, is it?
Y'all say hi to Alina. So today we're making a video based off my 350Z. I haven't made a video in like 2 weeks, and let me tell you what we're doing so far and the reason why I haven't been doing anything. Well, first off, if you didn't already hear from my first video, someone keyed my car. Why are you laughing? Why? She's always laughing. Where are you going? Where are you going? Anyways, it's not professional. It's not meant to be professional. What am I, a filmer? Anyway, so my car got scratched. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. As you can see, we have this deep clear coat peeling from the key. And I tried to like protect this side because it got completely worse and peeled all the way to the bottom. So I used clear coat to hold it down. But yeah, as you can see, I'm not a painter. I'm a hoser, and I have paint drip everywhere. But for now, it's okay. This side got affected as well, but I didn't touch this up at all. And recently, yesterday, let me show you my newest problem. This is destroyed. So today, we're working on taking that apart and putting on a new one that Alina is currently taping up for paint. It's gonna probably be a terrible job. I'm not a painter. I told you guys already I'm a hoser, but I need a rear mirror, and I don't like having red and blue as two different colors. So let me go ahead and explain to you guys exactly what we did for the heart stuff. So you guys know there's this door handle, right? And basically for the door handle to come off, there's two 10mm screws. But first off, before you get to that, you're going to need this aluminum and pry it off. I usually pry it off from the bottom right here, as you can see. And then pry from here, and then it just pops off. Then after that, you can get to this 10mm screws that are right here and here off your handles. The next step that I took is that I had to pry this as well, which is the windshield thing. And I'm also going to do a video again on this, on how to remove all this so I can repaint. Well, I'm not even going to repaint it. I'm going to use carbon fiber to vinyl this whole entire thing. And you pry it off. If you want to, you can disconnect this, but my aim wasn't to repaint it today, so I left it here. And take off two screws. Mine's only had one. I guess someone took off the door panel before. Take off these two screws. There's a screw behind here. It's also a 10mm. And what you're gonna have to pry off first on your door is gonna be this thing here. You hold it down. I would use I wouldn't use you can either use a star, but I recommend just using your 10mm 5-star. I think I'm saying it right. Telling you guys again, I'm a novice, so I don't know what I'm really doing right now. I'm gonna get better. This is like my second video, so you guys just be patient on me. Then after you get all of that off, there's a certain way you have to take it off. There's handles that you, well, not really handles, but there's places that you can grip this, and I'll put my knee under the door and start pulling and then pushing up at the same time, and then this whole thing just falls down after you take out all those screws, of course. Then you have 3 screws here, 1, 2, and 3. After you pull off the tweeter cover, which I cannot find right now. Actually, it's right here. I'm a complete shithead. Look, what I did, I personally took this tweeter, pulled it this way, and it fell right off. Took out these 3 screws here, 1, 2, and 3. With the same 10mm, disconnected the plug that connects to the mirrors for it to have power to move around, and pulled it out, and it comes right out. And now we're ready to get ready to paint it. Currently we have Alina and Randy bonking the thing with paint. Well, we're about to prep it for paint. We've already sanded it down. Like I said, you guys are probably like, where's your primer? You need to sand that down more. What are you doing? You don't know what you're doing. The car is gonna be screwed. I know that. But it's better than the one that's on the floor. Right there. Rip.
Oh shit. destroyed.
Ooh, I look good. I look good. Aline, don't I look good, bro?
Yeah.
I look good. Why are you lying to me? So you're gonna admit that I'm ugly too? See? She called us both ugly. You see what you see? Look at this. I guess this doesn't come out, unfortunately.
Only the mirror, you mean?
The mirror doesn't come out with this. I was hoping not to paint this. My question is, how do you get these screws?
Inside?
Yeah. They screwed it in.
There gotta be a way, but that's in the next episode. The what?
You got it? Mm-hmm. So, we're repainting. This thing is obviously not the same color. But
this is the first coat.
I need more of this box ripped. I told you, I'm not the best painter. You guys. I feel like this is the fun.
I like how it smells.
Drug addict.
Jag addict.
Oh my gosh, not holding up. Guys, we're better.
It's recording. Bless you.
Okay. This is the last step. Putting it back together. First thing you need to do, obviously, is take your thing at the point of the video. We're gonna put it back here. The wiring goes through the middle loop, and there's gonna be places to align this for the 3 screws.
You think?
Wait, hold on.
Man, what?
Does this cover this?
You're good. Make sure you put that in, because I'm gonna need it. Right here, align it so with this. Next, it comes with 3 screws that look exactly like this. You're going to put that right here. I'm just gonna hand tighten them right now so it can at least stay in place. Next, we're just gonna go ahead and tighten these. I'm not trying to break them. I think it should be stiff enough. Next, we're gonna put the tweeter back around in place. Well, first, you have to plug this back in if you want this to work again. For it to move, this is the Peters. Next, I forgot how I actually took this out, so we're gonna play around a little bit. Something that goes in here first. Slide this. back. Wait. And then y'all in? Okay, that's it. Let's start putting this door back together. Next, we're gonna attempt to put this door back together. We're gonna lift this up here. And I just have to put it back.
Why it was so easy?
It's so hard getting off. That was extremely. I took this out at the beginning. Oh yes, thank you. It's still not enough space though. For this at least. Well, I took that out. Put that back in. I think it's important. For the door to lock. Now we're gonna start and reverse the process.
Huh? Barbecue chicken. Barbecue sauce.
Now we're gonna start this again. Try to put all the screws back. All of these are 10 millimeters.
Could I possibly take you out tomorrow?
The smallest one going into this door right here.
No.
I fucking hate it.
Oh, sorry.
Two. Let's go ahead and plug this back in and snap it back in place. You need your window motors. Last two screws you're gonna use have the washers and pretty much along the screws in here. You're gonna put one here, and you're gonna put one here. This is farther down, so you're gonna probably need an extension wrench. Find out. Oh, the last piece I forgot to put in goes right here. Not too hard. Just wanna put that right back in there. And there you have it.
There you go. Oh yeah, never. I see it, but it hurts me.
Pretty much that's how it's looking right now. It's not the same exact color. I told you this is not a professional job, but I wasn't going to go outside by having this right. Totally. But pretty much that's the end of the video. You guys like my Naruto headband? I know so many people are gonna hate on this, but I like it. Stop hating my Naruto headband. But I'm gonna end up this video. Also, the paints that I use, I'll put in the link in description. They are, I used Duplicolor Perfect Match. The color was Blue Pearl. It says it replaces T359 base coat. This car is supposed to be B17. So if you can find a B17, I would recommend using it because it's not the exact same color. I also use Krylon Color Max Clear Coat. This also works pretty good, and it says, the brand also says that it dries in 10 minutes or less. It's still kind of drying right now. I put a lot of coats on it. It's non-yellow and clear coat, of course, and it says it doesn't trip. Also, I'd like to end this video, so I'm gonna end this thing short. Let me turn off this thing because it's getting annoying. But make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure you guys, you know, I'm gonna post some more content for you guys. I'm gonna do something. There's more stuff on the way, just know that. Bye.
What up, man? What's that? What's over here?